This is Barry Zalma, Zalma on Insurance. I am an attorney who is retired from the practice of law and now spend my time as an insurance claims consultant and expert witness, an author, and producer of these videos. On January 2, 2021, Zalma's Insurance Fraud Letter, Volume 25, Number 1, will be published at my website, www.zalma.com, by clicking on the link to the newsletter, where you will find the last 2 issues available in PDF format. First, I'd like to wish everyone a Happy New Year, and hopefully that 2021 must and will be better than 2020. The January 2, 2021 issue of Zalma's Insurance Fraud Letter will discuss, among other things, a case where a person was found to be guilty of insurance fraud, noting that people who commit insurance fraud think it is a crime without punishment or concern. When they are caught, prosecuted, and convicted, the perpetrator is so amazed that he or she is one of the few unlucky ones who were caught that they use their ill-gotten gains to fund unfounded and frivolous appeals. For example, in the People of the State of New York versus Troy M. Cordell, Jr., the Supreme Court of the State of New York Appellate Division, 4th Judicial Department, found, with regard to Cordell's appeal, that he had been convicted by a jury of insurance fraud in the 4th degree and falsifying business records in the 1st degree. Although Cordell contended that evidence was illegally insufficient to establish his intent to defraud, the appellate court found that the decision of the trial court, the State of New York's Supreme Court, was correct. There will also be an article about a famous lawyer whose assets were frozen by the federal court. Thomas Girardi, a prominent Los Angeles attorney, faced a federal judge in Chicago who froze the assets of his firm and found that he misappropriated at least $2 million in client funds that were due to the families of those killed in the crash of a Boeing jet in Indonesia. Girardi is one of the nation's leading civil lawyers and gained notoriety in 1993 for his role in a lawsuit against the Pacific Gas and Electric Company of California that went on to inspire the 2000 movie called Erin Brockovich. The full story and the history of Mr. Girardi, who went from multi-million dollars as a trial lawyer to now claiming he has no money at all. In addition, we describe the most brazen insurance fraudsters who were elected to the New York's Insurance Fraud Hall of Fame, and about health insurance fraud convictions in detail, videos on YouTube and Zalma on Insurance that establish evidence and issues that are useful to anyone involved in the insurance fraud investigation business. We discuss other insurance fraud convictions that are not health-related, and our new book, It's Time to Abolish the Tort of Bad Faith. Finally, it discusses Zalma on Insurance videos that are available to the public free of charge, and a way to train your insurance fraud professionals and insurance claims personnel, all available on the internet at either the Insurance Claims Library or at YouTube and at rumble.com, where I tend to publish a new video almost every day. Thank you for your attention.